जब मैंने विजय रामखोल के साथ, जगदीश देव वर्मा के साथ, रंजीत के साथ, जिसने मुझे बुलाया मैं उनको बुलाऊंगा। आज बंद करके सिर्फ 30 सेकंड शांति रखो। आपका कोई भी भगवान हो, गॉड हो, अल्लाह हो, कोई भी हो, 30 सेकंड प्रार्थना कीजिए। ऊपर भी हमको ऊपर से भी आशीर्वाद मिला है। हमारा माँ का है जो बच्चा को पेट में 9 महीना रखता है लेकिन जानता नहीं कि उसका भविष्य क्या होगा। ये हमारा नेक्स्ट जनरेशन के लिए एक जीत है। हमारा टाइम तो गया, अब आगे का बारे सोचना है, नेक्स्ट जनरेशन के बारे सोचना है। यहां में जो भी है, मैं सबसे पहले जिसने हमको हेल्प किया, कोई बड़ा नेता नहीं, पवित्र भक्ति ने मेरे हाथ में ये बांधा था, ये सूत्र। यहाँ में आप मेरे लिए प्रार्थना कर रहा था, कोई मंदिर में कर रहा था, कोई बुद्धिस्ट मॉनेस्ट्री में कर रहा था, कोई मस्जिद में कर रहा था, कोई चर्च में।
What success in life, getting the right written commitment. Now what? When the government of India gives the written commitment, now when we talk about guarantees, when we talk about assurances from government of India, it is also incumbent on us to actually get the right people, the competent people to be a part of this committee, where we give our own point of view, laws, language, our land, our political aspirations, our economic reality, and ensure that the government of India gives us a solution which will actually help improve the lives of the indigenous tribal communities. And I think it's a big achievement, but many times after we get an award sign, we start celebrating and we don't actually do a follow-up. I'm more intent in following this up and ensuring that even if we can get 70 to 80% of what they have assured us, I think the lives of our people will improve significantly. And believe me, if the lives of 30% of the population in Tripura, it also benefits the other 70%. Because the scales of economy, the scales of equality ensure that there is fair play to all.
So, as you said, you will follow up, but at the same time, the elections are coming. And
See, I know that the media is under tremendous pressure to talk about elections. I'm under tremendous pressure not to talk about these things because I was under tremendous pressure to deliver for my people. I have not occupied any big political post in government or for the matter of the assembly or ever to parliament. I'm not interested in that. Right now I'm more interested in delivering what I have promised to my people. Media will ask these questions because generally we see that people sign up for and then get something. I would like to, if I want to get something, I will anyway take it. I will not, because this Pavitra Sthan today, where we have just finished Pratna, Puja, discuss politics and talk about what is my negotiating power, what is my bargaining power. My negotiating power was the best before the election. I didn't take that chance because I wanted it in writing. Now when the government has given it to us in writing, we will deal with it. I've got a lot of people who have called me and spoken nicely to me. Chief Minister spoke very kindly. The former Chief Minister Biplab Dev spoke very kindly. Sudhir Bhai Barman spoke to me today. He was inquiring about my health. We have a old relationship. He was very nice to me. So why would I speak about politics today? I think today is the right time to speak about politics.
progress.